Hi Scorpios, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Scorpios, for your general energies, career situation and relationship. We are picking these cards. So these are for your general energies, Scorpios. This is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, Scorpios, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy. So that reading may answer some questions you may have or clear some doubts in your circumstances. So you can watch that reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fiverr. I'll be sharing her link in the description. You can contact her. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. So today we have Chariot in reverse, Ten of Pentacles in reverse, and Queen of Cups. So Scorpios, you are someone very friendly, kind, compassionate. You go out of the way helping others, and you are also a very knowledgeable person. You have your intuition guiding you. So maybe there are some circumstances in your life, in your work, maybe you are making some important decisions based on your intuition, because circumstances are not good. Circumstances may give you a different picture, a difficult situation, but you are confident about something, so you are making some choice. It may be a difficult choice on your part, but you have your intuition helping you, guiding you today. So maybe though it may look like a wrong choice, certain people may think that you are making a wrong choice, but I feel that you are making a very intuitive decision and that is going to work, and it may be a good decision in your relationship. You are seeing a difficult situation. Maybe there may be a lot of misunderstanding with this person. Things are not looking good. The picture is not good. Even the person you love, they may not feel so confident about this relationship, but you have something deep down in your heart telling you that this relationship will work and this is the person for you. Something is making you move towards this person and feel a deeper bond with this person you love. So it may be a karmic connection we see here, Scorpios. Maybe you would have felt a different level of connection with this person, a greater familiarity even at the first time you met them. So that may be because you have known this person maybe from your past life. There is some kind of a karmic bond, a deeper connection with this person. That is the reason you do not feel like moving away from them. Maybe even though when this person is thinking of that and your circumstances are not good, you feel something is holding you together with this person. Let us see what is the card for your. It's Queen of Swords. So it is a difficult circumstance you are seeing today in your relationship, and maybe you are thinking about something because you are a very honest person. You never do anything that is not truthful to your heart. So whatever you feel, whatever choices you make, it is based on truth. So it is based on true intentions. So you love this person truly. That is the reason you are waiting for a change to come over them, waiting for some kind of understanding to come in this relationship. But maybe this person is not thinking of you in that way. Maybe they see you as see this relationship as something that is not working. So Scorpios, it looks like you are the one interested, but this person is least bit bothered about you. They are not at all worried about you. So you must think yourself, rethink about this love. That is what I feel. But if you feel deep down intuitively that this relationship will work or is going to work, you can wait. So let us see what is the card for your career situation. We have Ace of Cups in reverse. So you may have a lot of offers, opportunities coming to you, but if you want success, if you want to hold on to success, you need to make tremendous efforts. You need a lot of focus and attention in your career situation. So that is the energy here with these cards for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming right now, Scorpios. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here today. So this is the first card and this is your second card. You can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, I will keep this second card aside. We will see what is the first card. For those who chose this card, it is the poisoned apple, jealousy. So it means that in your circumstances, you are the target of jealousy. There are people against you, people who are very much jealous of you, and their intentions are not good. Maybe they are trying to tempt you with some offers in your life, tempting you into some difficult circumstance. And maybe these offers may look like something beautiful, something amazing. But if you fall for your temptation, you are going to face many difficulties. But even if you have fallen for some temptation today, you need not fear these circumstances. Because this experience is going to help you. It is going to give you more knowledge. It is going to give you wisdom. And the pain you will go through today in this situation because you have fallen for this temptation is going to lead you into a beautiful journey where you are going to grow emotionally, you are going to grow spiritually, and you will be able to see your circumstances with more clarity, with more knowledge. So you need not feel sad or stressed though you are fallen for this temptation, or you have fallen for this temptation. And you will succeed. You will come out much better person tomorrow, much better person in your life. But you need to believe in yourself. And maybe present circumstances are not good, but still you are going to see beautiful changes very soon. starting from now. So that is the energy here with this card. So let us see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, the second card, we have Seriphos Green Quartz. This is a very beautiful and a rare quartz, guys, and with this quartz, the energy is that maybe you are pushing yourself to achieve something, pushing yourself to see some changes in your life. But today you are left with no desire to march on towards your expectations, but ready to accept what is coming towards you in your life, what is coming towards you in your circumstances. So this moment should be experienced just as it is, because this moment is going to bring clarity in your relationship. So being honest with certain things you can change, and certain things where you are powerless to change, you need to accept it as it is. When you do that, it is a big step taking you towards what you desire and what you deserve. So be present. If you are feeling sad, let it be. Experience that pain, go through all that, whatever comes in your life, because you are in for something bigger. Some bigger picture is unfolding in your life, and this picture is something you never imagined and you can never imagine. So universe is coming with a blessing towards you. Maybe you are going through a lot of pain today, but this situation is absolutely necessary for what is coming in your life in your future. So that is the energy here. So there is no need or no use to change your present circumstance. So that is the energy here with this card for y'all today. That is the reading for y'all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.